And so if we go through the one-page plan, we've got the core values and your purpose, which is like the heart and soul of the organization to capture what we're about more than just profit. And it's about with that, you can figure out who's the perfect fit. Who people that align with that should be a part of your organization. And the purpose is, why are we doing this beyond profit, which we all need sometimes. Once we get lost into only making money, that's not near as fulfilling. Ideally, impact grabs us. And there's some example of the purposes of organizations, but it's truly the difference they want to make in the world. It's not business strategy. It's not about the business. It's about the impact to the greater good, like Walt Disney to make people happy. Or another one of our clients, AquaGuard, protect the world's #1 resource, which is water. Like that drives them. This was Coastal Contacts back in the day. Save the world from the eye care cartel. They even got legislation changed so that the patient owned the prescription instead of the optometrist. Now, that was very convenient for their business because they were about providing glasses and contacts, not doing exams at that point in time. One of our clients out of Edmonton, Little Potato Company, it's to feed the world better. And their mind, potatoes is a great, great thing to help feed the world better. And this is their purpose. It's on their brand new building in Edmonton. You can see it. They've also got same thing in one of their buildings in the US. But that's been driving them. And it's legit. Like, it's in the heart and soul of Angela, the CEO, and that team.